truck got a much needed wash, but thanks to Mother Nature, all these kayaks could have used a wash as well too, but maybe we'll get a shower on the way in. Well, howdy do everybody from the YouTube world. Welcome back to Red Dirt Bass Bros. We're on a late start this morning due to some severe weather that just hit, and it was anticipated the night before and everything, and I just didn't think it was going to be this bad. But holy cow, the lightning, the thunder was just loud and intense. I mean, it was just non-stop for a good 30 minutes and then just coming close to the house and everything. So, and I think a transformer may have exploded somewhere nearby too, because I did see an orange glow, and it was crazy. So we're officially done and loaded. Let's take this vehicle to the spot. Here we go. Alright, so we're out on location already. We're getting ready to drop in. We have our buddy John with us today. It's been a minute since he's gone fishing with us, so he's back. There he is. He said hi to everybody. So the water's real calm. The winds are going to be pretty light and variable for the most part, and overcast, so that's going to be nice. So we're not going to be dealing with the sun all day, but we'll see what happens. Oh, and a frog. I got a frog rigged up. Off to a bad start. Look at that. Talk about a backlash. There's some murky water out here this morning. Got one. Haha, first one of the day. Yeah. Thank you. Got a nice little, maybe a 1 pounder there. Caught it on the 6-inch lunker log from the Guggen Squad. Pretty decent one for out here. Nice little Texas River fishing out here. All right, set it free. Here we go. Back to more. Get over here. Stop it. How did you hook yourself? Shoot. All right. All right, decent one to start the day off. He's got the potential to be a big one someday. All right, hopefully the first of many. Caught him right along these rocks here. That's what they like.